Bloomberg Audio Studios. Podcasts, radio, news.
The Stock Movers Report, your roundup of companies making moves in the stock market, harnessing the power of Bloomberg data.
Let's take a look at some of the stocks on the move today. I'm Nora Melinda with Alexis Christoforous, and we're joined by Bloomberg's Matthew Griffin. Tell us, what are you watching right now?
Well, Nora, you talked about red across your screen today, and one name I'm watching being hit particularly hard is American Airlines. This situation in the Middle East is really a triple whammy for airline stocks. They rely on crude oil to determine the price of the fuel they use, and Jefferies had a note out over the weekend that every 5% move in their estimate for jet fuel prices is a 35% swing in American earnings per share. So a really dramatic impact there. You also then look at potential hits to consumer confidence from the conflict that could cause people to pull back on travel and on just the travel chaos in the Middle East, although the direct exposure there a little bit lower for U.S. carriers. That has the stock down more than 4% today and extending a year-to-date drop to nearly 20%.
Wow.
Yeah, and I see other airlines are down, I guess, as well because of the same reasons you just outlined, including Delta Airlines. But Lockheed Martin, I guess, are people flocking to the defense stocks given this news?
Absolutely. So Lockheed trading without a dividend, up about 4%, accounting for that. Also, peers like Northrop Palantir also, so defense AI. We were just talking about that. It's one of the few, you don't want to say bright spots in a conflict, but places where you're seeing green on the screen today. Truist saying this could fuel the push for $1.5 trillion in U.S. defense spending for 2027.
Wow. Also, you've got your eyes on Nvidia.
Yes, Nvidia agreeing to invest $4 billion in Lumentum and Coherent, their data center optics companies, and that's bringing the stock a little bit higher, defying the slump, up about 1.9%.
The Stock Movers Report from Bloomberg Radio. Check back with us throughout the day for the latest roundup of companies making news on Wall Street. And for the latest market-moving headlines, listen to Bloomberg Radio live. Catch us on YouTube, Bloomberg.com, and on Apple CarPlay and Android Auto with the Bloomberg Business app.